We'll guide you through how to fix the Wi-Fi icon missing in Windows 11 and it not showing. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a really annoying problem because you're then unable to go and access the internet wirelessly. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try in order to go and get this working again and be able to go and start accessing the internet. Make sure this full guide and don't skip anything as we're trying out different things you can try doing. So you can go and see, if I go and click here, it's not showing. Also, if I go and press the Windows button at the bottom, press settings or search for settings and open it up. If I go and make this just a bit bigger here, we'll press network and internet to the left and it's not showing. Even though I have a Wi-Fi adapter. So it is important to know you need to go and have a Wi-Fi adapter. If you previously used Wi-Fi before and it's now gone missing, you do have a Wi-Fi adapter. If you go and find that you haven't used Wi-Fi before, then you do need to have one. So in some cases, it can be built into your motherboard. Otherwise, you can go and buy a USB one. We'll link some different ones to Amazon below. They are affiliate links, support the channel at no extra cost. But let's try fixing it if you do have a Wi-Fi adapter as you've had it before. So first of all, what you want to do is go and press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in services. Go and click here like so, and the services are now going to open up. So the first service we're going to look for is called WLAN. So what you're going to do is come all the way down here and you want to go and find WLAN Autoconfig. As you can see, here it is. So you want to make sure that this one here we're looking for, and you want to go and double click on it. You want to make sure that it's currently running and the startup type is set to automatic. What you can do is press stop and we'll go and press start. Just to go and restart it, as you can see, and make sure it's set to automatic, press apply and press OK. Next, you want to go and scroll up here and we're looking for N, and this is alphabetical by the way, and you want to go and find network connections and you want to go and double click on it. We're going to go and set this to automatic and make sure that it's currently running. We can go and press stop and go and press start. Then you can press apply like so, we can go and press OK. Next, you want to go and find network list service, this one here. What you can do is we can go and set this to automatic and you want to make sure that it's currently running. And what you can do is go and press apply and then we can go and press OK, like so. Now you can go and see if that goes and solves the problem. You can see in this case, it currently hasn't. So the next thing we can try doing is you want to go and open up your device manager. So press search at the bottom. Type in device manager, or you can right click on the Windows button and you can go and find device manager here as well. Now what you want to do is you want to come over to the left here and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for network adapters. To the left there's an arrow which you need to go and click on to expand. Now what you want to do as well is go to the top and press view and you want to go and press show hidden devices. And as well as that, you want to then press action and press scan for hardware changes. Go and see if it can then go and detect it. Be patient, and then what you want to do is go and look in here. What you want to do is go and see if you can locate your Wi-Fi adapter. I can find mine here, RZ616 Wi-Fi. It's got this little icon on here indicating it's been disabled. So you want to right click on it and it says enable. If it says disable, it's already enabled, but if it goes and says enable, we need to click it to go and turn it on. Wait for this to go and load, just while it goes and refreshes, and there it is. Now you can try pressing on networks in the bottom right, and as you can see, it's now appearing here. And if I go and open up my settings, it's appearing here as well. So that solved it for me. If it didn't for you, keep watching. What you want to do on your adapters, if you can see it here, is go and right click on it. You can go and press update driver, you can do automatic search and go and see if you can go and find available update. Of course, to go and do this, you will need to go and have a connection. So you may need to go and connect to Ethernet. So for example, you can go and plug into your router with a wire. Of course, it's not wireless, just to go and see if you can resolve it. If you can do that as well, it may be worth trying to go and get the manufacturer driver because sometimes you can get a more specific driver from the manufacturer's website. For example, if you have a Wi-Fi adapter in your motherboard, you may need to go to your motherboard manufacturer and go and get the WLAN driver. For example, I've got an MSI board and I've actually got my network driver directly from the MSI driver support, and I got it from there. So you can try doing that to go and see if that solves it. If it still doesn't work, you can try right clicking on it and you can go and press uninstall device. You can then press uninstall, you can leave that unselected, and then you can go and wait for it to go and complete. It shouldn't take too long. Now, what you can do is you can try performing a restart. So what you can do is you can come down here and go and press the Windows Start button, press the power button in the bottom right and you can press restart. If when you go and open up your network connections, whether you go and have the Wi-Fi icon, you can go and see I do, indicating we've managed to go and solve it, which is great. Or if I come to my settings and network and internet, you can go and see we now have Wi-Fi here and we can go and connect to a network. So we'll guide you through that in a moment. But another fix you can try if it still isn't working is what you want to try doing is pressing the Windows button at the bottom and come into your settings or search for it if you're unable to go and find it. Next, what you want to do is come to the left in here and you can find network and internet. Then you can go and scroll down and you can go and find advanced network settings. And you want to go and scroll down to network reset. So what we can do here is run this, and this will remove and then reinstall all network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So you can go and press reset now and confirm your decision, and then shortly your computer will go and restart, resetting the network settings, and that will hopefully go and resolve the problem. So we can go and press yes, and you can go and wait for this to complete. And so when your computer then comes back on, go and see if when you go and click on network in the bottom right, if you've got the option, and you can go and see if it's appearing in your settings as well. Hopefully that goes and solves it. Now, if you find that it's still missing, what we can try doing is running something else. So what you want to do is you want to press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in CMD or command prompt. Now you can go and right click on this here and you can press run as administrator. And in here, you want to go and type in sfc /scan now. And that's all one word. So sfc /scan now. After you type that in, you can go and press enter. And what's going to happen is it's going to start checking files in case there's a file which is incorrect or broken, which will hopefully go and solve it. Hopefully running that goes and solves the problem. Now, if you're finding that it still isn't, there could be a further issue with it. So the best fix I would say you can try doing is going and getting a new Wi-Fi adapter. So we'll link some different ones down below. As I said before, those are affiliate links on Amazon, which support the channel at no extra cost. But essentially, you can go and get a USB one and plug it into a USB port, and that will act as a Wi-Fi adapter. And so you can then go and access the Wi-Fi again via that. So that is sort of like a last resort if you still can't go and get it working. But hopefully to help this video, you have. So that's it. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again with more videos like this.